In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Notion. This is a great way to organize and present your content more effectively. Whether you're working on a detailed project plan or simply trying to clean up your dashboard, merging cells can really help streamline and clarify your information. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to Notion and open it up. If you haven't already, log into your account and navigate to your main dashboard. This is where all your pages are likely stored. Once you're there, take a moment to find the specific page that houses the table you're planning to work with. If you have several pages, using the search function can quickly direct you to the right spot. Once you've located and opened your page, it's time to find the table with the cells you want to merge. Visualize what you want to achieve. Maybe you want to combine some cells for a cleaner look or better data presentation. Click to select the specific cells that you'll be merging. This could be 2 or more adjacent cells. With them selected, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is interacting with Notion's AI features. Now, focus your attention on the top right area of the Notion interface. You should see a group of 3 dots. Click on these to open a menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Ask AI. This step is crucial because it directs Notion's AI to understand and execute tasks like merging cells based on your command. At this point, you'll be interacting with Notion's AI assistant. Clearly instruct the AI to merge the selected cells or columns. Something simple like, "Please merge these cells," will do just fine. The AI is designed to comprehend these requests, so there's no need to overthink your command. Remember, the clearer and more direct your instruction, the better the AI will perform the task. Once you've given your command, take a moment to allow the AI to process and complete the action. You should see your cells merge right before your eyes. After the merge, Notion will typically prompt you with a confirmation dialog. The final step is to verify the action by clicking Accept. This confirms that you're satisfied with the changes and ensures the alteration is saved to your page. And that's it. You've successfully merged your cells in Notion. By mastering these steps, you can now easily control the layout of your tables and enhance the way your data is presented. This skill is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their productivity and efficiency with Notion. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Notion tips and tricks.